Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Macher Pur Diye Potoler Dorma, that is Parwal stuffed with fish. Let's get started. First of all, take 750 grams of parwal and cut the two ends of the parwal, a little bigger at one side and very small portion from the other side. Now scrape the skin of the parwal lightly like this. Bring out the seeds of the parwal in this way. And at the end, you will find a hollow portion inside. This particular portion will be used as a cap of the stuffed parwal, and the seeds will be used as one of the stuffing material. Let's marinate the hollow parwals along with the caps with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder for half an hour. Now take 500 grams of katla or rahu or vetki fish. Marinate it with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder for 10 minutes. In the meantime, grind the parwal seeds into a fine paste . Like this and keep aside. Take 3 cups of water and boil the fishes for 10 minutes. Transfer the boiled fish in a bowl . And keep the fish stock aside. Now take 3 tablespoons of oil in a hot karai and fry the hollow marinated parwals in batches. Similarly, fry the caps also. Then smash the boiled fish and discard the bones. Take 1 boiled and smashed potato. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. To the remaining oil, 2 large finely sized onion and half teaspoon of salt. Fry until golden brown on medium flame. While frying, add 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and fry for 1 minute on low flame. Add a little amount of water to avoid burning. Fry for some time and add the parwal seed paste to it. Fry for 1 minute on low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Fry until the oil separates out. Add the smashed fish, smashed boiled potato, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame until it separates out from the karai. Let's transfer to a bowl and keep aside. Now stuff the parwal with the fish filling like this one by one and close the open end with fried caps. Keep it aside. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in hot karai. When the oil is sufficiently hot, add garam masala, that is 3 green cardamoms, 2 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cloves and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. When nice aroma comes out, add paste of 2 large onions, one teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Stir for some time and add the puree of 1 large tomato. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook until the oil separates out. Add 2 cups of previously made fish stock, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 3 partially sliced green chilies. When it starts boiling, make the flame low and add the stuffed parwal to it. Add half teaspoon of ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Now switch off the flame and give a standing time of 10 minutes. Macher Pur Diye Potoler Dorma, that is parwal stuffed with fish, is ready. Serve it with a hot steamed rice or pulao. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.